is good YouTube? This is Envato, and today I got a video for you guys, and basically today I'm going to show you guys how to utilize Envato theme checker to upload your theme to something like Envato elements and actually start making profit out of it online, right? So all you really need to do is just open up your examp, go to localhost WordPress and then wp admin, and then open up a new page. Just log in, of course, to your admin panel, and then go to plugins, and then we're just going to search Envato theme checker, and it's going to be the first link in the Google results. It's also, if you actually check out the description of this plugin, you'll basically find that it's based upon an actually old theme checker that was done by somebody else. And let me just show you. Yeah, here it is. It's by out of 42. This is the original theme check. Okay, so you can also test that if you want, but this is the one for Envato theme checker. So we're just going to download that zip, and this is going to be a plugin. Don't extract it or anything. So we're just going to go back to the plugins, and we're going to add in a new plugin and upload the plugin. And as you can see, it says if you have a plugin in a .zip format, you might install it or update it by uploading here. So browse that, and just we're going to upload the zip file as it is. Do not extract it at all, please. And then install now. Activate your plugin. And after it's activated, you can usually, from the same appearance menu that we accessed the theme check plugin as well in the previous video. You can go and check that out if you would like, but this is in terms of uploading the website or the theme to WordPress.com. This video is for Envato theme check. So before you click check it, all right, just make sure you go into your local disk C, and then your examp, and then your htdocs, and then WordPress, and you're going to find a file called wp- and then config.php. Right click that, open with code, and then just make sure you have your wp debug defined to true. Let me zoom in for you guys. And also, just for precautionary, you can also define script debug to true, which is going to allow you to debug your JavaScript functions. All right. So that is pretty much it. So just make sure to enable these and just close your wp-config. And if you do make changes to your wp-config, just make sure you restart the server. We're just going to restart that server, and we're just going to refresh the page, and then select whichever theme you would like to review, the theme that you want to sell on Envato, and then just click check it. Right, it's not going to take a moment or two. And as you could see, this one gives us a lot more errors than the WordPress theme, because the WordPress theme or the WordPress.com was actually meant to be like a free theme. But however, since this is like a premium theme that you are going to be selling, they have some requirements that you have to abide by. So of course, I'm not going to fix these required things, but I just want you to understand basically how you can review your own theme with this plugin before submission to something like Envato, which the plugin is actually made by them. So it enables them to actually make a easier process to upload the theme for you to actually make profit of the theme as well as Envato. All right, so that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. This was Angu, and peace, you guys.